Hi, James here. I would like to thank the guys at Live Traders and Jared for the professional trading strategy courses. They have been such a blessing to me and greatly helped my portfolio. In just 2 months, I've been able to go from negative 12% to being in the green 9%. That's over a 20% gain in just 2 months, so that's pretty awesome. These courses have helped me to make a lot fewer mistakes and really not just learning the technicals, but to have a different attitude and mindset about trading and why I'm taking positions. My goal is to replace my normal 9-to-5 job income and become a professional trader. But just as I started these courses, I realized how underprepared and uneducated I was. So I have stepped back from day trading just a little to take time to go over these courses a few times because there's so much information in them. It's basically a college course on being a trader, and I realized how much of the basics that I didn't understand and didn't know and was just unprepared to be making the kind of risk and trade. This is the best well put together course. It really has everything you need to know put into one, and it's a lot of time to invest, but it's like a college education for becoming a trader, and it's worth the investment. It's the best investment you'll make to invest in your future and your education instead of trying to do it and learn it the hard way. Because that'll cost you everything that you have to invest with if you don't know what you're doing. I think myself and a lot of other traders just start out and think we'll learn as we go, but I think if we learn before we go, it can cost us a lot less in the long run and just put us years ahead by really investing in our education, just like any other profession. Instead of using your capital to learn with and possibly losing that, I'd rather spend a little upfront on education. I'd like to thank the guys again. I think it's been a great privilege, and I just appreciate it.